Alright. Alright. I don't know. Alright, so, you see this? This is a 1998 Suzuki RM250. It's a pretty sweet bike, other than the fact that it is a Suzuki. And I have been riding it lately. And I'm gonna talk normal now. Well, so basically, the CR's blown up, and we've been waiting like 2 months for the parts. Yep, it sucks. But so, I've been riding this. It's my dad's bike. I'm gonna show you the CR real quick, and then I have a few questions for you guys. But before I do that, if you can hear this noise, I just want to let you know that it is that thingy, okay? That's all I really had to say. RM250. Alright, guys, so here it is. Sorry, guys. I'm really emotional. So this is a CR80. So remember the head and cylinder and that one basics of how a two-stroke works? Yeah, they're sent out. Yeah, they've been sent out for a while now. And I've been riding my dad's 250. And I was just, FMF, yeah. Speaking of FMF, on my next bike, should I get one? But so, it's pretty gutted right now, the CR. Now let's go back and look at the 250. Alright guys, we're back at the 250. The RM250. So this is a 252 stroke, nothing special about it. It's all stock. There's nothing been done to it, but I can handle this thing, because I've been riding it lately. I know, I might look a little short for it, but I've been handling it lately. Whoa! But so, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm tired. And we did some stuff for the 4th of July today, even though it's the 3rd of July. But we'll do a whole bunch of stuff for the 4th of July tomorrow. But that ain't gonna be on film. Nah. But so, I can handle the 250. So, I was wondering, when my parts get back, I'm gonna fix the CR, of course. And then, I think I'm gonna sell it. So, yeah, I'm gonna sell it. I'm probably gonna have to sell a cow, too. Yeah. I have 2 right now. Well, 3, but one of them I'm not gonna sell. That's because I'm gonna let it keep having babies. But when my next calf has a baby, I'm gonna sell it. After it's nursing the baby, too. But so, then I'm gonna buy a 250. I think. Probably a 4-stroke, but if there's a nice looking 2-stroke, I might get that. And if you know, do the 254 strokes have compression releases? I was just wondering that because 4 strokes are harder to kick than 4 strokes. 4 strokes are harder than, I don't even know what I just said, but I know what I meant to say. 4 strokes are harder to kick than 2 strokes. this thing kicks pretty hard for me just because of how short I am. But so, I was just wondering that. And comment below what your opinion is on me getting a 250 4-stroke. And I just figured I'd start this thing up for you guys, you know? Here we go. By the way, it is not running. So that's a RM250. Take my word for it. My dad did not just come out here and start it for me. Like, honestly though, because you know there's like douche canoes out there that think that he did, but he didn't. All right, he didn't. And I did not go for a ride there. If I did, I'd wear a helmet and goggles and my boots, but I wear those anyway. But yeah, so it's kind of corny video today, but you know, that's me. But tell me what your like thoughts on it are. Let me know what kind of 250 I should get. I'm not gonna get a brand new one for the fact that like it costs too much, but I'll get a 250. Hopefully a 4-stroke, but if I can't find a nice, affordable 4-stroke, I'll go for a 2-stroke. Yeah. So my neighbor, I'm gonna offer the 80 to him first, before anyone else, and if he turns it down, Craigslist. It'll probably be on, like, Craigslist, Lacrosse, or Madison, one or the other, but yeah. Just figured I'd ask you guys and see what you had to say about it. I like the idea because, like, after I'm done riding this thing, the CR80 will feel small for me and, like, it won't feel as fast. So, yeah. But thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. The next video will probably be, like, a last ride on the CR80 or something. Let me know what you guys want to see in that video, and I might start moto vlogging. I want to hear your thoughts on that too. Alright? But thanks, and see you in the next one.